Hey guys, today I want to show you how to earn extra money on page booking.com. This page, I think everybody know, you can reserve accommodation for travel when travel. Okay, how make some extra money? Simply, you need to create account in this page. If you doesn't have an account, I left my referral link below this movie. And you can create your own account, or if you doesn't want use my referral link, you can directly go to page booking.com and create your own account. When we created account, we log in to page and we go to top section. Here is refer friends and earn. We click this button and we go to new page from booking.com. In this page, we see information about earnings. In my country, zloty is my currency. So if you from United States, you here see dollars or euro or your country what you have defined in your account. So when I give this link my friends and he make reservation, and he back from his vacation, I got from him 15 zloty. When he used this link and make reservation, he too got 15 zloty. How it's working? Simply, we copy this link and we send for our friends who want to make reservation booking.com. And he see a page like this. On this page, he see information about earn 15 zloty cash reward, and when he used this button to sign in or register, he got 15 zloty when he made reservation. But we need to remember he needs spend minimum 315 zloty to this work, and we can see how many people make reservation. Like you see in my account is almost full. We have limit 500 zlotys, so 10 reservation. 9 reservation and is complete, and I waiting only for one is pending, like you see. This money I have in my bank account, so I can't tell you it is working and can recommend this system. If you liked this movie, left some comments, share, and left thumbs ups. See you in the next movie. Bye.